Lenkulisa iLittle Blessings engenkulu kulesifundazwe ifundisa odadu ababalelwa ekhulwini nama-30. Kepha-ke namhlanje kwenzeke isimanga kufika abayishagalolunye nje kuphela. Lokhu kwenzeke nakuba kunemigomo eqinile yokuphepha kwazise kufuthwe nangesibulali magciwane.
With our school itself, we invited our parents to come. We asked them to have a look at our protocols. We sent out a little video. And out of the 130 in the first week, only 9 returned. And it became very evident how we're going to pay our staff.
Ubotha uthi babalelwa izinkulungwaneni ezisishiyagalombili abasebenzi abadiliziwe abanye baqoka ukushiya. Phezu kwalokhu iningi labazali selokhu lagcina ngondasa ukukhokha imali yesikole.
You can think for yourself, if a school has so many children and you only have so many coming back and those are the only parents paying, you sit with a situation where those parents, which is your sole income, forces you at the end of the day to let that staff member go because there's not children in their care.
Kusenjalo bekuyinjabulo yodwa kwabanye abafundi ezikoleni ezehlukene ePolokwane bethakasela ukubuyela emagumbini okufundela emva kwamasonto ambalwa bengalibeki.
I am excited to come back to school because I'm excited to learn more things.
I am glad to come to school because I love school and I missed all my teachers and friends.
Ezinye izinhlelo ezingafaki ukufunda phakathi zisamisiwe ezikoleni.